Hey guys, Guru here. Today I'm going to unbox the brand new Apple Watch Series 6 in red color. There are two new colors in the Series 6, that is red and blue. I actually prefer the blue color. Unfortunately, I didn't get, so I picked up the red color. Red color finish is very good actually, but I'm more like blue color. Unboxing experience is very similar to every Apple product. So once you unbox the Apple Watch Series 6 box, you'll be able to see two boxes. One is for sports band box, another one is for Apple Watch itself. Okay, first I'm going to open the sports box. In that, here you can see the band and additional band for various hand size. For me, smaller fits fine. Okay, let's see the Apple Watch. It's a product red color, so the product watch is in red color sleeve. But apart from the watch, you can see the Apple Watch charger, and there's no charging adapter. So as you all know that there is no power brick, and earphones comes in the new iPhones as well. Let's set up the Apple Watch. If you are first time, the setting process is very Apple way. So you need to download the Apple Watch application in your iPhone. Once you open the Apple Watch app, that you have to scan this wizardry code from the Apple Watch. So once it scans, it shows that which model you are scanned. So then the process will start. If you are first time using setting up Apple Watch process, it feels very good. So this process takes a lot of time to complete. Meanwhile, it install all synchronize your data, contacts, photos, and Apple Music library, which you have Apple Music subscription, and which and all application is compatible with your iOS application that install as an Apple Watch apps applications in the Apple Watch. Now the setup process is complete. It's like hardly like 15-20 minutes. My older Apple Watch data all synchronized in the new Apple Watch Series 6. Now Apple Watch is ready. I'm using Apple Watch from Series 3 since it's out. From that time I didn't update it to Series 4 and Series 5. Let's talk about Apple Watch Series 6. Design wise, there's no significant changes from Series 4, but main changes is inside hardware. So Apple Watch Series 6 has the ability to check your blood oxygen level inside the Apple Watch. This is the biggest feature for Series 6, and as well as you also know that it has always on display. From till Series 4 it turns off once you are not using, but from Series 5 it always on. Like, it has a small technology called LTPO technology that makes refresh rate of the display from 60 Hz to 1 Hz. So when you are not using, it's still to 1 Hz, so like 1 frame per second. So when you are using, or when you it automatically switches to 60 Hz. There you can see the refresh rate technology working seamlessly for always on display. And the always on display double the brightness with maintaining the same battery backup from Series 5, and also act as a ECG. So why I'm telling this feature is like I'm updated from Series 3 to Series 6. So these are the features are added from Series 4, Series 5. I feel it's pretty good update since Series 3 for me. It has very good features like ECG, let's always on display, and checking blood oxygen level. Feel the new design and the hardware. WatchOS 7, there's a 20-second countdown while you washing the hand. Once you started washing your hand, the sensors will detect that you are washing your hand, and it started counting from 20 to 1. So that is good thing for this ongoing pandemic. Sometimes it turn on automatically even though I'm not hand washing. It may fix in software update. Let's talk about the main features that as I mentioned before, that is blood oxygen level. So blood oxygen level is checking in this Apple Watch is not ideal. That's what people are experiencing. So Apple Watch Series 6 has this new sensors check the blood oxygen level. So it works okay, it does decent job. Most of my test was failed because it is not an ideal way to check the blood oxygen level because of the placement of the Apple Watch sensor. Usually you'll able to check the blood oxygen from the forefinger. So if you have that blood oxygen level test meter, you can check the both. It's not a first smartwatch to adopt this technology. It's there. It doesn't work like other features in the Apple Watch. That's all about blood oxygen checking in Apple Watch. You can also check the ECG and other fitness tracking things, and you'll also get all the data in the health app. Okay, in terms of hardware, Apple Watch Series 6 powered by S6 chip. It's a dual core processor based on Apple A13 chip from iPhone 11 series. After few years of usage, what I observed in WatchOS 7 is Apple is tuned up to a lot of animation, smoother and fluid. This watch feels faster, smoother and snappy, and the battery backup is also improved. Not in extent level, it's improved. Apple Watch Series 6 charges fastly compared to my older Series 3. So I feel battery backup is not so great, I feel, because once I start using from 100% in the morning, I always maintain the consistency that I can wear it most of the time from morning to evening, and by evening it almost kill up to 60% battery. It almost be there by between 40 to 35%. It varies, depend on the usage. If you charge it for full day, you can use it completely for one day. If you have cellular, it come little bit lesser. That is the Apple Watch battery life and features. Okay, it's not a review, but if you want to ask you that why you want to buy this Apple Watch, or do you really need an Apple Watch? So I have few answers. One is like Apple Watch is very good at tracking and fitness related tracking system compared to all other smartwatches available in the market right now. Second thing is, if you're health conscious and fitness freak, you can take a very good advantage from Apple Watch. Other small things like it allows you to take 2 minutes of walk since you're sitting in front of system for long sessions. So that, because people are working from home right now most of the time, those people can take advantage like this and take a 1 minute of breathing exercise. So those are small things. It helps somehow. Also, that's for this aged one, it's very good at track their health monitor, not in a big way, but yeah, it is there and it works. That's what people appreciate about the Apple Watch, because people who hates Apple product but still uses the Apple Watch because of its working capability. Third thing is Apple ecosystem. If you are into Apple ecosystem, or you already heard about Apple ecosystem, it works best compared to all other ecosystem in the market. While you're riding or driving, you may not be able to access the phone while driving, so by the time you can easily get the notification here, you can check and whether you can take the call or not. And also you can unlock your Apple Mac system without entering password. Just you press the lock button 2 times, it unlocks your Mac computer, and also you can enter the password for when you're purchasing from Apple Pay in the Mac computer. So those are small features. It helpful when you're working in Apple ecosystem. Apple Watch Series 6 starts from 40,990, that is 40mm, and this is my 44mm. It cost me 43,990. So if you feel this Apple Watch is very expensive, then you can go for Apple Watch SE. It's a basically Series 5 watch without ECG and always on display, and it has same S5 chip inside the Apple Watch SE. So you can go to apple.com and check the comparison between a Series 6 and Apple Watch SE. You can make your choice. So okay, that's it guys. This is my impression and unboxing experience of Apple Watch Series 6 in red color 44mm. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, click on like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video. Peace.